This post is sponsored by Adobe through a paid partnership as an Adobe Firefly ambassador. Dude, check this out! Yeah, sure, another amazing tool. With Firefly AI Assistant, you can turn one design idea into merch mockups in just a few steps.
So your panic has a workflow now?
I need merch mockups, and fast. I had one idea, zero planning, and somehow Adobe turned it into a merch situation.
That is not a business model. That is a symptom.
Then AI Assistant gave my panic a product line.
Fine. Show me how panic becomes mockups.
Step 1. Open Adobe Firefly. Choose AI Assistant Beta. Then select Generate Mockups.
This already feels too easy, Toasti.
Step 2. Upload your design. Then type what products you want to see. Mockup of an orange t-shirt with Toasti, Soccer Supporter Edition.
That is oddly specific.
More details means better mockups.
Fine. Bread with a plan.
Step 3. Boom! Mockups are ready. Time to review the options. Look at that! Firefly creates variations in seconds.
I create crumbs in seconds.
That's the one! No way! Also that one! Boom! From design to mockup. Fast! Easy! Very toasty! Why am I the hand model? Because you have range! I hate how impressed I am. Told ya, fastest ideas ever.